In this video we're going to look at finding the volume and the surface area of a cylinder. As you can see in this example, we have a cylinder with radius 3 centimeters and height of 8 centimeters. And those are the two things that are required to use all of these formulas. We're going to start off by finding the volume, and the formula for volume is given to you in the tables, and the formula is pi r squared h. So all that we do is we sub in our different values. So pi is the pi button on our calculator, so we can leave it as is. The radius is 3, so we say 3 squared, and the height is 8. And if we put this into our calculator, like so, pi button is shift and this button. Okay, so pi multiplied by 3 squared multiplied by 8, and that will give us 72 pi. If they request the answer in terms of pi, this will be fine, but if they ask for it to 2 decimal places or 1 decimal place, we would press the S to D button, and that will give us in decimal form. For the purpose of this example, I am going to give the answer to 2 decimal places. So we look at the third number, it is less than 5, so it's 226.19. So answer is 226.19, and because we're looking for volume and the units is centimetres, our answer will be 226.19 centimetres cubed. Next we're going to move on to the curved surface area. This is the part of the cylinder that is curved and not flat. The two bases are flat, so they are included in our total surface area. All that we need to do to find the curved surface area is use our formula 2 pi r h. Okay, so we're going to sub in our values: 2 pi times r, which is 3, times h, which is 8. And if we put that into the calculator, 2 pi multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, 48 pi centimetres squared. Okay, and we want it not in terms of pi, we want it to 2 decimal places. So we're going to give our answer, and if we look here, the third number is 6, which means we round up, which will give us 0, so it'll be 150.8 centimetres squared because it's area. Okay, so that's our curved surface area. Now we're going to move on to our total surface area. Our total surface area is our curved surface area, which is 2 pi r h, plus the area of the two bases, which is the top and the bottom, which, as you can see, in a cylinder is a circle. And the area of a circle is pi r squared, and we have two of those, we have a top and a bottom, so we have pi r squared plus pi r squared. Okay, another way to write this is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Alright, so next up we're going to put that into, we already know that this is 150.8, we don't need to do that again, plus 2 pi times 3 squared, so 150.8, move this into the screen, 150.8 plus 2 pi times 3 squared, 2 pi r squared, and that will give us 207.35, if we can see that on the screen. So 207.35, and it's centimetres squared again because we're dealing with area.